Fusion 360 has 7 different kinds of joints which you can use to control the position and motion of components in your design. In this video, we'll take a look at the first 3 types of joints: rigid, slider, and planar. The joint command can be found in the Model or Patch workspace under Assemble, Joint. We'll begin by taking a look at a rigid joint. We'll select a point on the component we wish to move. In this case, the point is on the opposite side, so I'll click and hold my left mouse button, choose the opposite face, and choose the point I'm looking for. Next, I'll choose the point on my static component. The 2 components have moved and locked together. There's no movement allowed between the 2 components anymore. I'll choose OK to complete the command. Next up, we'll look at a slider joint. I'll right-click to run the command again. I'll choose slider from the joint selection. Once again, I'll left-click and hold to choose the opposite face, and choose the point on the component I wish to move. I'll choose the point on my static component. You can see that the slider joint allows the component to translate or move along a single axis. In this case, the axis I'm looking for is the x-axis, and I'll choose OK to accept that condition. Finally, we'll take a look at the planar joint condition. I'll right-click, choose Repeat Joint to run the joint command again. I'll choose Planar from the joint condition. I'll select the point on the object I wish to move, and I'll select the point on the object I wish it to move to. A planar type joint allows a component to translate along 2 axes and rotate along a third. I'll choose OK when I have the joint condition I'm looking for. Finally, I'd like to point out that all of the joints have been added to the Joints folder of the browser, where they can be edited at any time. That concludes this video on Fusion 360's rigid, slider, and planar joints.